Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I have prepared a dosa with murmura. This is the murmura I have taken for preparing this dosa. Around 1 cup of murmura I have taken and powdered it in the mixer. And in that I have added quarter cup of gram flour, that is besan, and quarter cup of Thalipeeth Bhajni that you get ready made. Mix all the flours and add some chopped vegetables in it, like grated carrot, capsicum chopped, onion chopped, cabbage chopped, and spices according to your requirement. You can add green chili, coriander powder, cumin powder, pepper powder, salt, and I also added chopped coriander leaves in it, and white sesame seed, hing powder. Mixed everything and kept ready. Now I am preparing the dosa here. Cook from both the sides. This can be served along with chutney or a sauce or green chutney. Another method of preparing this murmura dosa is soak rice, murmura also, then a little bit of urad dal soaked and grind well and ferment it for 6 to 8 hours. Then you prepare the dosa. That is another method. I will be posting that also very soon. Now this is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.